Agree.
So you can start again.
Right, do you want to start again?
Go on, because I forgot to press the fucking button.
This is Eden, our pedigree Borre ram, and he's one of very few on the planet. Now, he's had the blue tongue vaccine, Batavo today, like the rest of our flock, because we've got a pedigree flock. And there is some kind of resistance in Cymru, Wales to having the vaccine for blue tongue, but I can assure you blue tongue is very, very nasty. Just imagine one of your sheep eating loads of acorns and suddenly getting extremely ill the next day, which they probably would do, but losing their lips, their tongue swelling, not being able to eat and dying within days. That's a nasty death for one of these creatures. Now, he's had his vaccine, which will be completely live in his system by about 3 weeks. So he's protected from BT3. Now, we've got blue tongue in Wales at this minute in Llangamach, Wales, which isn't too far away, and we've got to protect these beasts. Now, other farmers around me, none of them have had their flocks vaccinated, which means that we're going to have to keep these very, very safe and protected. Whilst I've got him, after I've got our Eden, after probably about 8 months, I'm just going to do his hooves, just check his hooves, and he's ready to go. So thank you very much. I'm Karl-James Langford, and look at this wonderful Borre ram, and his name, registered name, pedigree is Eden.